Magana ma andu hamwe na hunjia magwikinyite igongona-ini iria gukunurwo gwa Pastor Dorcas Rigathi gaicio ngathi nginya gutuika Reverend. Igongona riria rigutongoragio ni atongoria makanitha matiganite, no thengia wa uguo atongoria mung'ethaniro ni magwikinyite kunyitanira na umwe wao Rigathi wa Gachagua agikungwira mutumia wake. Muthuri wake hamwe na ciana ciake makimugathiriria ta mutumia mwirutiri na kuga mahoya na unyitaniri wake ni matumite muci wa urugame.
Pastor Dorcas, the Reverend elect, is a blessing to my family. She is a glue that holds our family together. She is a matriarch of this small family. And all our lives revolve around her. And that is as it should be. She is a very great believer in family values. And she has put our family first. And as we support her in her ministry, and she's always busy serving the poor, the downtrodden, people who need support, she also has time to look after us.
Oho teti naguo ndunaga kwiyumira igongona-ini riri Rigathi wa Gachagua akiuria thirikari ya President William Ruto wikirira kinyi uhoro wigie ugima wa mwiri na githomo. Nake murunawe wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na Eugene Wamalwa makiuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza iri na maundu maingi itari irahingiria muingi wa bururi no ciraniro irathi na mbere na kwiranira.
The Kenyans were oppressed, the overtaxed Kenyans, the ones who are crying loud, the ones who have been abducted and killed. These are not ordinary times.
The kind of language we are hearing in Kenya today, kuita watu hawana akili, kusema watu hawana agenda, that language is very unpresidential and not befitting of that office.
Mweneni wake Fred Matiang'i wa Jubilee akiuga thirikari no kuhenira henia muingi wa kuhuthira hinya uru.
I pray that our national leaders please listen to the voice of God that is coming from the clergy. They are speaking on behalf of our people and they are articulating the pain, aspirations and wishes of our people.
Miario ya atongoria aya yukite riri President William Ruto akoretwo akirikiriria icera riake mwena wa Ikamba-ini kuria eranire tabarira itiganite cia mabilion ma mbeca. Girifu Tera Kameme TV kuma itura ria wa Munyoro gicweni kia bunge kia Mathira kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Nie njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.